I'm Lionel Javres Bantepe from Cameroon. I'm a researcher in EMPM. I've done my PhD in Kamsat University, Islamabad, under TOA scholarship. I didn't carry my PhD in Cameroon because I didn't have, let's say, many facility. Basically, my research in molecular biology in Cameroon, the facility for that is not available.
Je m'appelle Mvutouma Bouloujan Valérie, je suis chercheur à l'Institut de recherche médicale et d'études des plantes médicinales. Je suis aussi inscrite en thèse à l'Université de Yaoundé 1 au département de microbiologie. Les difficultés que je rencontre au niveau de ma thèse, premièrement, c'est le financement. Les réactifs sont chers, pas facilement accessibles, parfois il faut commander à l'étranger. De plus, les laboratoires ne sont pas assez équipés pour pouvoir manipuler. Bon, nous essayons de chercher les laboratoires d'accueil à l'étranger et aussi les financements pour pouvoir avancer dans nos recherches.
I am Dr. Isimu Livo-Fogo, a researcher at CREMER and a SANTHE supervisor at the CREMER site. So SANTHE cannot even fathom the tremendous support they are giving not only to CREMER but to the whole country, Cameroon. Cameroon is one of the most underfunded countries in the continent, and where we have over 90% of postgraduate students and even undergrads who are not under scholarship or neither do they have even research funding to carry out their work. So most of the funding opportunities here are self-made. So in spite of that, thanks to SANTHE, SANTHE is thinking holistically to train high-level scientists in low and middle income settings like Cameroon. So for example, thanks to SANTHE, we are acquiring equipment, we are receiving high-level training through collaborations we are building with other SANTHE sites. We are receiving funding to go to conferences to present our research findings, and also beyond even SANTHE providing support for research communication, they even train a lot of people locally on how to improve their English proficiency. So SANTHE thinks about the researcher and his environment in a holistic way, and this is a unique way of supporting scientists in settings like Cameroon.
My name is Umaru Goni. I am a PhD student at CREMER in Yaoundé, Cameroon. I am studying the viral factors of HIV-1M infection. This work has been possible thanks to SANTHE's funding. Forever, I passed difficult with cell culture experiment. SANTHE give me the opportunity to carry out my lab work in HIV pathogenesis program in Durban in South Africa. In addition, as I am a French speaker, SANTHE also support English course for us so that we can better communicate in scientific world. I would like to thank the leadership of SANTHE for their support.
I am Umes, a PhD student at CREMER in Cameroon. I am working on HIV under the support of SANTHE. Words can describe how thankful I am to SANTHE, particularly because in our African context, being a wife and a mother can be a career breaker. With awards given by SANTHE, like caregiver support, I can be confident and planify my research training in German to continue my work while taking care of my child. I thank SANTHE from the bottom of my heart.
My name is Gamalo Modeste Romian. I am a master's student at University of Yaoundé 1 and SANTHE Philo Delta 2. My work focuses on the transfer of antibody to the mother and child in HIV context. SANTHE helped us to finance our English course. This English course have a good impact for our work because we have the possibility today to present and to explain our research, share the good data in English because we are in a French context. We have the possibility to attend in South Africa last year in bioinformatics course. Thank again SANTHE for the continuous support, and all the support help us to improve our English and to have a good research and to communicate a good result.
My name is Jan-Willem. I'm a PhD student at the University of Yaoundé 1. I'm also a research assistant at CREMER. I'm working on COVID-19 on pregnant women. In my research lab and in Cameroon in general, we are facing a serious problem of technical infrastructure deficit to carry out our research. Establishing a collaboration with Professor Penimore at NICD in Johannesburg, SANTHE awarded me a travel scholarship which helped me to go at NICD and work with excellent mentors, and also I was able to have training on ELISA and neutralization assays. I want to thank SANTHE for this great opportunity given to me.
My name is Godway Celestin. I am a PhD student at University of Douala, Cameroon. I'm also a SANTHE Fellow at CREMER. My research focuses on redrawing HIV-1/M history in the Congo Basin, where the pandemic began. SANTHE support was the game changers. It was much more than scholarship. It made this project possible. It is a vital opportunity that allows of young African scientists like me to fully contribute to global science. I want to thank once again SANTHE for this support. Now I can finally attain my dream to help build deeper understanding HIV.
My name is Dr. Tongo Marcel. I'm head of the Laboratory of Fundamental Biology here at CREMER in Yaoundé, Cameroon. As a SANTHE site PI, I can witness what SANTHE has brought to our fellow here at CREMER. What I can tell you is that it's fantastic. What we have noticed here is that now we have been able to do a lot of things thanks to those fellows who travel abroad with this new capacity and implemented and came back here in Cameroon or at CREMER. So it's been fantastic. They've been improved, not only here in CREMER, but also at the university level where they are also enrolled. So SANTHE has done a great job, not only to the technical capacity, but also to the intellectual one. With regular journal club and also data presentation, they acquire a lot of tools whereby they can now kind of challenge with other PhD fellow around the world.
Community engagement is a cornerstone of one of SANTHE's activity because in spite of all the research that we're doing, whatever we do is for the community, and the community are the primary beneficiary of all our actions. So whatever we do, they must be involved and they must appreciate and support us.
J'ai décidé de participer à l'étude parce que premièrement, quand vous m'avez parlé de ça, ça m'a plu. Et deuxièmement, j'ai fait ça pour la santé, pour que ma santé s'améliore un peu.
D'accord. Et concrètement, qu'est-ce que vous attendez au sortir de cette étude? Quelles sont vos attentes par rapport à cette étude?
À la fin de cette étude, je m'attends à des résultats positifs pour tous les examens que vous m'avez fait faire. Je m'attends à un résultat positif et je m'attends à ce que aussi, je sois aussi complètement guéri, et je m'attends aussi à ce qu'il puisse exister un remède pour cette maladie.
SANTHE!